So the process to get a mini implant is you'll come in, we'll interview you, we'll check you for your medical, we'll check you for your dental, and we'll make sure that you meet certain requirements. And one is that we have to have a certain amount of bone. The nice thing about a mini implant is we don't need quite as much bone, so you don't have to go through heavy grafting that you have to wait sometimes 6 months wondering if the graft will take. You don't have to worry about going home that day and having a large flat plate and wondering if it's how much pain you're going to be in. Most mini implants can be placed immediately without hardly any pain at all. In fact, most of my patients say after they've had a mini implant, they say, I cannot believe how easy that was. If you're interested in this treatment, please come in for a free consultation.